Hello and welcome to Ben Stock Trades. You do the analysis. You draw the perfect consolidation box. You step away to get a coffee and boom, the ticker breaks out and you miss the entire move. We've all been there, but as of this week, you never have to do it again. TradingView just quietly dropped a massive update for breakout traders. You can now attach custom directional audio alerts directly to your rectangle drawings. No more staring at the screen for hours waiting for a channel to break. Before, you could only set an alert for a ticker exiting a rectangle. The problem: if you wanted to go long, but the price temporarily dipped out the bottom, your alarm went off for no reason. Now, you can tell TradingView exactly which side of the box you care about. Here is exactly how to set it up in under 30 seconds, so you can catch the next trend the second it starts.
First thing we're going to do is select the box tool at the far left. You can see the shortcut key here, different on a PC from a Mac, where you can click the star to add it to your favorites. Once it's selected, you can click the box around the range, bottom to top, and as far out as it'll let you. You can always move the box out further if your alert isn't triggered. You can change the effects of the box. By default, usually the box has a background. You can see here the different options you have to switch. That's the background that comes by default. I like to turn it off. Click OK. Now the box is created. Now to create the alert, we're going to right click and add alert. Once we've done that, you can see here in the panel our options that we can set for the alert. And the new options, as of about a week ago, is the option for greater than or less than. This way you can set a different alert or just set an alert for one direction or the other. I like to set an alert for the dog sound if it goes above or long, breaking out of the box, or I'll click the less than for a short and use the cat sound. They're kind of a good yin and yang sound effect. You'll click create and then create alert, and that's it. You can walk away and just listen for the sound.
The best part: the alert is physically tied to the box. If the market shifts and you need to resize or move your zone, the alert automatically adjusts with it. No need to delete and recreate anything. Stop babysitting your charts and let the platform do the heavy lifting. Box your zones, set your audio, and wait for the trade to come to you. If this saved you screen time, hit that like button, subscribe for more trading hacks, and I'll see you in the next one. And that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. And as always, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Ben Stock Trades, turn on notifications so you don't miss future trading tutorials. Please feel free to post a comment with anything you would like to see demonstrated on this channel in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.